Mmm. Mm-mm. Mmm. Wow. Mmm. Welcome back, guys, to Rinty's Plate. I have with me today a large snapper, 2.5 pound. So I'm gonna jerk snapper. Already clean up my snapper, as you see. Yes, clean it up. I told you that he's a 2.5 pound boy. Yes. So I'm gonna jerk it. So over here, I'm just gonna prepare the season to go with it. Teaspoon of Lawry, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Mr. Dash and garlic, and 1 teaspoon of regular dash, a teaspoon of garlic, and a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Okay, gonna mix everything together. Okay. And also on the side of my fish, I'm gonna put asparagus, and I'm gonna stuff it with callaloo. Already prepare my callaloo. I know your mouth is running right now, but bear with me. Okay, looking nice. Okay, I'm gonna mix everything together. Okay. Ooh. Wow. Nice. Dude is a big guy. Okay. I'm going to season up my fish now. And I'm going to put it in here. I'm not going to put much in the tummy because I have my callaloo to go there. Okay. To get it in this part here. I'm going to make this sit for like 15 minutes. Okay. Okay. I need no more. Good. Perfect. Okay, guys, I'm back. My fish is in the oven. I'm gonna prepare my veggie for my asparagus. Okay. This with meat is thyme. I'm not gonna cut the thyme. I'm just gonna leave it like this. And I have 3 cloves of garlic. Guys, I'm gonna put some butter, add some butter on my fish to keep it moist. Okay. This veggie is for the asparagus. Add pepper, onion, red pepper, orange pepper, and yellow pepper. Okay, and my veggie steaming down. I'm gonna add my asparagus to the hot water for just 2 seconds. And for my veggie, I have 1/4 teaspoon of garlic and 1/4 teaspoon of Mrs. Dash with a pinch of salt. Guys, this is my finished look. I'm gonna taste it and see how it tastes. Wow, look. Oh my gosh, look. My color in the belly. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Sharing with you a Bible verse which taken from Numbers 6:24-26. The Lord bless you. The Lord will keep you. The Lord make his face to shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord lift up his countenance upon you and give you peace. Thank you again for watching. Bye.